My name is Miriam Klein and I have been working for IronMaxx for about a year now. I am in the controlling department, which means I'm responsible for all the financials. And IronMaxx is a wholesaler for sports nutrition, like protein bars and whey and vegan protein powders. For a new solution, I would say we had no solution before. So for us, the main point was that we had to consolidate for the first time. So that was a huge pain point, and we thought if we want to do it, then we want to do it right the first time, and that's why we wanted to use the software, and that's where we came to Lucanet, because actually the CFO, Tobias, and we both worked with Lucanet in previous jobs. So for us that was like an easy find, and so that's mainly why we wanted to use Lucanet, and it also was a great help like concerning budgeting and reporting. I think it's very intuitive and it's quite easy to learn, and we didn't really have to do much onboarding, I think, in comparison to other softwares, and we're able to grow to it quickly and learn a lot. For Lucanet, a time-saving measure was definitely automating the whole monthly reporting, because we are able to kind of just press a button and then we are done with it. Previously, we needed like 1.5 days for it, so we can use the time to really analyze and comment on the data instead of preparing it. And with Smart Notes, we have also seen a significant improvement concerning our yearly reporting on the group level, because that also needs to be audited. So we were able to send the data over to our auditors already February and March. And previously it was like June, July. So it's of course like half the time we needed previously. And it's also saved a whole lot of manual labor that we had to do previously. So both softwares definitely had a huge impact. Concerning integration with Lucanet, a factor was that we were able to connect it with SAP Business One pretty fast, so that was very seamless and very easy. And it's of course compatible with Smart Notes, which was a huge factor for us, and also compatible with Power BI. So that was all pretty easy and pretty fast in the implementation. And it's of course a huge help. I mentioned the auditors before, so it's easier to build trust when you know that the numbers you view are correct and that you are able to send them to them in a very short period of time. And in general, it's also important to comply with like HGB and in general regulations on state level, to just have these numbers and to be able to report them in a way that you need on a government level.